Hey y'all, it's Troy at the Lady and Sons. We're going to make some drinks for you guys for Memorial Day. It's a favorite holiday of mine. It's not as celebrated as it could, but here in Savannah, we love our veterans. We love the people who have fought hard and the lives lost for this country so that we can have what we have every single day. So summertime, spring, a mojito is what comes to my mind. We use a prickly pear for our slushies. And one of our ladies in the retail store gave me this idea. She said, I had this drink in Scottsdale, Arizona. It was the best thing. You need to get prickly pear. So we did it, and it is phenomenal. So we're going to make a prickly pear mojito. We have a local rum here. It's called Atomica. It's made by the same people who make Southbound. They make vodka. They make a dark rum, light rum, and I believe they're getting into the bourbon. But it's going to take a little while for all that stuff to develop. So we also have had a lot of calling for a non-alcoholic version of these drinks. So we're going to have a non-alcoholic version of this drink available for you guys to make. So we like everything in mason jars here in Savannah. So we're going to take our mint and then our muddler. So we're going to grind this mint up just a little bit. Then we're going to squeeze half a lime. All right, then we're going to fill our glass with ice.
Troy, where do you get muddlers?
So we buy them through our food distributors. You can get them on Amazon, anything like that. They're cheap, like they're $5 or less. You can get one. So if you use a lot of mint, herbs, it does really well for.
It breaks it up, right? Is that what it does?
Well, it expresses the oil. It does tear the leaves a little bit, but it's kind of like when you rub a leaf and you get that sheen on the outside. It produces that mint oil that really makes your drink pop. So we're going to do 2 ounces of prickly pear, and you want this drink to have some color to it. And then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our rum. And if you want to do this without alcohol, you can do it with soda water or Sprite. Sprite's going to be a little bit sweeter, but some people like that. If you want something a little healthier, soda water. We're going to use soda water for the drink itself. Just because we don't want it to be so sweet. And then you can just use a spoon, bar spoon, anything like that. But you're going to have that light pink color and that unique flavor of the prickly pear. So, happy Memorial Day, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.